in Washington, D.C., everybody likes donuts. Chef Christine took me back into the kitchen. That's where they make donuts.
Hi, Devyn. How are you? My name is Christine. How are you doing today?
Good.
Are you ready to make some donuts?
Yeah.
Have you ever made donuts before? No? Well, good. I'm going to teach you all about it, okay? All right, you ready? You got your hat, your apron? Let's do it. Come on, this way.
Christine showed me how to make the dough super flat.
First thing we do with donuts is we have to roll out the dough, and then we're going to cut them. Do you want to go try doing that?
Yeah.
I got a really cool machine for you, okay? Come on. A little tap. Okay, you ready to go? We're gonna go this way. So hold on like this, put both hands up, and you're gonna go this way first. I'll tell you when to stop, this will be a long one. You need a little bit more. Stop. Good job.
They have this awesome machine and it goes squash. It's like you're driving a car.
How cool is that? See how thin it is now?
See this thing? I know, right?
So fun. What flavor do you think this is?
Rainbow?
Rainbow. Rainbow's a good flavor, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna fold this up, just like this. I'm gonna unfold it over here.
Do you want to learn how to make donuts? Watch this. You make all the donuts here fresh?
We do, so every morning, guess what time everybody gets here? 3 a.m. They come here, right? So you're still sleeping, right? At 3 a.m.? But yeah, they come in at 3 and they make the dough and then they roll it out like we did and they'll cut them like this. And where do they go after this? Do you remember? In the proofer first. And then the fryer. And then what do we do after you fry them? The fun part. What is it?
Put the toppings on.
Toppings on, yeah, of course. All right, so Devyn, now that we cut all these donuts, do you know what we're gonna do with them next?
What?
We're gonna put them in the proofer. You wanna go see how we did that?
They go in this cool machine called the proofer.
The donuts go in there. It's a hot, humid environment, and it keeps the donuts from getting too dry, but it helps them to grow really tall and really thick so that they taste nice and delicious. So you wanna see what they look like? All right, you see them in here? They're gonna get all ready to go in that fryer. Okay.
The proofer helps them get poofy, not dry. Once the donuts are proofed, they get fried.
Here we go. So watch these guys, they're gonna float to the top. Okay, go ahead, press it. We're gonna wait for 40 seconds. So when that says 4-0, we're gonna flip them over. Do you see these? Look at them, they're growing. They're getting even bigger. See them?
Yeah.
These are so cool. They're gonna be so fluffy. You can flip 2 at a time. Isn't that awesome? Oh, can you see this wall? This is called a white wall. That's so important in a donut. That means it grew just enough that it's gonna be nice and fluffy and delicious. You want that white wall. Do you remember that word? I'll ask you about it later, okay? Good, right?
Oh.
All right, let's take them out. Right over there. All right, very hot, so you gotta be very careful.
The whole world's asleep. They're making donuts.
These are our freshly fried donuts. They're nice and soft, right? Okay, we're gonna toss these in some cinnamon sugar. Do you know how to do that? Yeah? Let's do it. Toss it in there. I want you to use your hands and just cover it up.
Okay.
Yep, put that over in there, go for it. Just cover it, get it all, yeah. Cover it all up, get it all in. It's all done, I'm gonna take it out. You finish that one, yeah, make sure it gets everywhere. Perfect. Keep going, we got more to do.
Hey.
Great.
Good.
Man, that's awesome. We can get all the sides. Let's make a hole for it.
Yeah.
And just stick it in there, ready? Stick it in there, just cover it up. Make a sand castle out of it.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can take it out. Let's see how good it looks.
See.
Whoa!
That's inside and the outside is like sugary.
That's exactly what we want, sugary. Let's make that hole again. There we go. Now you're talking. Oh, these are gonna be some lucky customers.
Drizzle on top of cinnamon sugar. Customers might be like, wow, I want those donuts, they're so good.
That's exactly what we hope for.
Then I got to be the donut designer. I made the Devyn.
So now that we made some of the donuts that we make here at District Donut, what do we say we make some Devyn flavors?
Yeah.
Which means you can make whatever you want with all the toppings and fillings we have.
Yeah.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it. We have all of our glazes and all of our fun toppings. Do you want me to tell you what they are? Okay. So we got strawberry, blueberry. This is vanilla. That's the plain glaze. That's the chocolate. You're right. This is peanut butter, if you like peanut butter. And then I have lots of fun toppings for you. We have that graham cracker. We have these crispy little pearls. You should probably try them. They're my favorite. They're nice and crispy, right?
Yeah.
Chocolate chip cookies. Go ahead and try. You gotta know what you're working with. What do you think? Okay. Obviously some rainbow sprinkles. You know what those taste like. We got some cookies. Just if you want to break it up, you can put the whole thing on, break it into pieces, whatever you want to do. And we got some blueberries, fresh blueberries, because we're gonna be a little healthy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to taste one? Are they good? Good. All right. I think we're ready. I'll do an example for you. So if I'm gonna put blueberry on mine, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna just put my glaze all over it. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take I like strawberry and blueberry together. So I'm gonna put some strawberry on there. Just like that. And since we're in DC, how about we do red, white, and blue? So we'll say blue, red. I think we need a little white.
Like
for America.
Right here.
You got it, you read my mind. And there's our white. So now we have a red, white, and blue donut. Because we're in DC, right?
And now we'll do the pearls.
The pearls, you like the pearls, don't you?
Yeah.
You can always taste some if you need to make sure they're good still. Remember that. Yeah. Still good? Yeah. I'll try too. Definitely good. Okay, should we do?
And then I'm gonna do the chocolate on top of the top.
Oh my gosh, you are crazy. You are a crazy girl. Are you gonna eat these?
Yeah.
Yeah? All of them?
Yeah.
How long will it take you to eat all of these?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
I'd like to see that.
I can be like cooking with her. No.
That's exactly what it would be. Are you ready to do your dough face?
Yeah.
All right, you gotta enjoy our donut. Ready? Let's cheers.
Nothing better than a warm, fresh donut.
Did you have a good day at District Donut?
Yeah.
Because I loved having you. Can you promise that you'll come back again?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm sending you home with all the donuts you decorated. Please share. And also, since you know how to make donuts from start to finish, guess what you get? Your very own Doughfessional t-shirt. So this says, trust us, we're Doughfessionals, which means you're a Doughfessional now, and only people that work here can wear this. And you get one. You know everything about donuts now, okay? I'm gonna give that to you. Perfect. All right, well, you have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you next time.